The Volvo EX60 is Volvo's new fully electric midsize luxury SUV. Designed as the EV alternative to the XC60, it was officially revealed in 2026 and is built on Volvo's new SPA3 EV platform. VolvoCars.com+1. Battery and range. The EX60 comes in three main versions. Variant. Battery. Drive type. Estimated range. P6. 80 kilowatt-hours. Rear-wheel drive, 310 miles, 620 kilometers. P10. 91 kilowatt-hours. All-wheel drive, 320 miles, 660 kilometers. P12. 112 kilowatt-hours. All-wheel drive, 400 miles, 810 kilometers WLTP. The top P12 version produces up to 670 horsepower. Wikipedia +2. Charging. The EX60 supports ultra-fast charging. Up to 400 kilowatts DC fast charging. 10% to 80% charge in about 18 to 19 minutes. Around 170 miles, 273 kilometers of range added in 10 minutes. Native NACS charging port for Tesla superchargers in North America. Wikipedia +2. Exterior design. The EX60 uses Volvo's modern Scandinavian design language. Signature Thor's Hammer LED headlights. Closed EV grille. Flush door handles. Aerodynamic body shape. Vertical LED rear tail lights. 20 to 22-inch alloy wheels. Motor1.com+1. Interior details. Inside the EX60, the cabin is very premium and minimalist. Large 15-inch touchscreen infotainment display. 11.4-inch digital driver display. Google Gemini AI Assistant. Panoramic electrochromic glass roof. Heated and ventilated seats. Flat floor for extra legroom. Ambient LED lighting. Premium Bowers & Wilkins audio option. Motor1.com+2. Technology and safety. Volvo focused heavily on software and safety. NVIDIA AGX Orin computing platform. Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. Advanced ADAS driver assistance. Over-the-air software updates. Vehicle-to-home and vehicle-to-grid support. Structural cell-to-body battery design for better rigidity. Wikipedia +2. Performance. The top EX60 P12 AWD can accelerate very quickly. 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 3.8 seconds. Top speed electronically limited to 112 miles per hour, 180 kilometers per hour. YouTube +1. Video. The XC60. It was officially revealed in 2026 and is built on Volvo's new SPA3 EV platform. VolvoCars.com+1. Battery and range. The EX60 comes in three main versions. Variant. Battery. Drive type. Estimated range. P6. 80 kilowatt-hours. Rear-wheel drive, 310 miles, 620 kilometers. P10. 91 kilowatt-hours. All-wheel drive, 320 miles, 660 kilometers. P12. 112 kilowatt-hours. All-wheel drive, 400 miles, 810 kilometers WLTP. The top P12 version produces up to 670 horsepower. Wikipedia +2. Charging. The EX60 supports ultra-fast charging. The Volvo EX60 is one of Volvo's most advanced EVs with a modern Scandinavian design, ultra-fast charging, and premium technology. Exterior details. The EX60 has a clean and futuristic SUV design. Thor's Hammer Pixel LED headlights. Closed front grille for better aerodynamics. Illuminated flush door handles. Frameless doors. Slim vertical LED taillights. 20 to 22-inch alloy wheels. Aerodynamic drag coefficient around 0.26. The cross-country version adds extra ground clearance. Matte black cladding. Skid plates. Off-road suspension mode. Cars Direct Plus 2. Interior details. Inside, the EX60 is very premium and minimalistic. Cabin features. Large 15-inch OLED touchscreen. 11.4-inch digital driver display. Android Automotive OS. Google Gemini AI Assistant. Physical volume roller under the screen. Flat EV floor for more legroom. Sliding center console storage. Seats. Heated and ventilated front seats. Power adjustable seats with memory. Rear reclining seats. Sustainable premium materials. Optional massage seats. Lighting. Multicolor ambient LED lighting. Soft dashboard illumination. Panoramic electrochromic glass roof. Sound system. Standard Bose premium audio. Optional 28-speaker Bowers and Wilkins system with headrest speakers. Motor1.com Plus 2. Battery and performance. Variant. Power. Battery. Range. P6RWD. 374 horsepower. 80 kilowatt-hours. 620 kilometers. P10AWD. 510 horsepower. 91 kilowatt-hours. 660 kilometers. P12AWD. 670 to 680 horsepower. 112 kilowatt-hours. 810 kilometers. Top speed is electronically limited to 180 kilometers per hour, 112 miles per hour. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour. For the P12 takes around 3.8 to 3.9 seconds. Wikipedia Plus 2. Charging details. The EX60 uses an 800-volt architecture. 400 kilowatts DC ultra-fast charging. 10% to 80% in about 18 to 19 minutes. 170 plus miles added in 10 minutes. Native Tesla NACS charging support. 22 kilowatts AC home charging support. Wikipedia Plus 2. Cargo and space. Rear trunk, about 523 to 634 liters. Front trunk about 58 to 85 liters. Long wheelbase improves cabin space. 5-seat luxury SUV layout. Paul Tan's Automotive News Plus 1. Safety and technology. Volvo added its newest safety systems. NVIDIA AGX Orin computing platform. Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. Advanced ADAS driver assistance. OTA software updates. Vehicle-to-home and vehicle-to-grid support. Structural cell-to-body battery design. 10-year battery warranty in some markets. Wikipedia Plus 2. The interior of the Volvo EX60 is designed with a modern Scandinavian luxury style. Volvo focused on minimalism, comfort, smart technology, and premium materials. Dashboard and screens. The EX60 cabin has a clean and futuristic dashboard layout. Large 15-inch vertical OLED touchscreen. 11.4-inch digital driver display. Google Gemini AI voice assistant. Android Automotive infotainment system. Qualcomm Snapdragon plus NVIDIA AGX Orin processors. Very fast, no lag interface. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The center screen controls climate, navigation, media, charging, and vehicle settings. Wikipedia +1. Steering wheel. 2-spoke premium steering wheel. Flat top and flat bottom design. Physical touch controls for audio and cruise functions. Heated steering option. Soft leather or sustainable material finish. Seats details. The EX60 uses premium comfort seats with sustainable materials. Front seats. Heated and ventilated seats. Electric adjustment with memory. Optional massage function. Integrated headrest speakers. Rear seats. Reclining rear seats. Flat floor for extra legroom. Fold flat rear seat design. Premium armrest with USB-C charging. Volvo Cars WestHouston.com +1. Ambient LED lighting. The interior lighting system is very advanced. Multicolor ambient LED strips. Soft dashboard illumination. Door panel lighting. Footwell lighting. Panoramic roof mood lighting. At night, the cabin gives a calm luxury lounge feel. Panoramic glass roof. Large electrochromic panoramic roof. Adjustable transparency. UV and heat protection. Makes the cabin feel more spacious. Storage and cabin space. The EX60 has smart EV storage solutions. Sliding center console. Large center storage box. Wireless charging pad. Deep door pockets. Front trunk, storage. Large rear cargo area. Some owners on Reddit noted. Volvo replaced the traditional glove box with a central storage designed to improve passenger space. Reddit +1. Sound system. 2 premium audio systems are available. 21 speaker Bose premium audio. Optional 28 speaker Bowers and Wilkins sound system. Headrest speakers in 4 seats. Dolby Atmos style surround effect. YouTube +1. Interior materials. Volvo focused on eco-friendly luxury materials. Recycled fabrics. Vegan leather options. Open-pore wood trim. Soft touch dashboard materials. Scandinavian minimalist design theme. Interior color options include beige, black, brown. Dual tone combinations. Interior experience. The EX60 interior is designed to feel quiet, spacious, high-tech, premium, relaxing for long drives. Many people online praised the clean modern design, while some Reddit users felt the interior looked very minimalistic compared to older Volvo cabins. Reddit +2. Video. The interior of the Volvo EX60 is designed with a modern Scandinavian luxury style. Volvo focused on minimalism, comfort, smart technology, and premium materials. Dashboard and screens. The EX60 cabin has a clean and futuristic dashboard layout. The EX60 cabin has a